Welcome back, everybody. This is my XR200R. I have a CRF230 exhaust pipe from Amazon on it, and today I'm going to install a DIY spark arrestor. I'm using a metal mesh strainer from Ace Hardware. First, you need to remove the back cap. It might be riveted on or screwed on. In my case, they are screws. Here's the cap, and here's the end piece. I'm going to form this just a little bit more to fit in that hole nice. Just like that. Now I'm going to cut it. So the mesh is right here, it's perfect. Let me put this piece on, and then the cap. And then we put the screws back in. That's all it takes to install a DIY spark arrestor. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.